Okay, so this is the whirlpool dryer. The drum wasn't turning around, and because of that I looked online and I found out that it might be a belt issue. So I opened the top. I had to remove 2 screws from the back here, and then I was able to remove the top. I moved the top here. The screws have a star-shaped head, so it's something that looks like this, and these types of screws, so make sure you have the right screwdriver to get it resolved. Once that was removed, the top, I noticed that the belt wasn't torn. I wasn't able to take it away, but it was loose. I could move it back and forth. So at that point I understood that it might have gotten loose at the bottom. I removed a bunch of screws on this part on the right and on this part on the left, on the back side of the dryer. And once I removed those, I was able to disconnect these 2 electric connections and get the back out. Once I get the back out, the next step is to go down and understand where is the source of the problem. The source of the problem was these things. So the belt is supposed to be connected here to the engine and to be tightly coming together with these 2 wheels. But these 2 wheels were off, and this belt was off. So the way I did it was I took away these 2. I put the belt and connected it to the engine, but it was loose. And then putting these back on was a bit of a stretch. The way I did that was I put the lower part first. I just positioned it here, and then I held it tightly with my right arm, and then with my left arm I put the lower part here, and then I used the lever to pull these apart, and I have these come around the belt. Once they're by the belt, then if I move the drum, as you can see, then these hold these 2 together. This is different layout than what I saw in many of the other videos. So I thought that putting this online might be helpful for some people. I put the model of the whirlpool also so people could find it. Good luck.